could make hundreds of dollars, Dad. Liam, we need thousands, not hundreds.
Sir, tools, very useful tools, please.
This is a perfect evening.
It really is.
Can we get gelato now?
Yes, sweetheart.
Daddy, you smell like smoke today.
I know, sweetie. Sorry about that. Hello? Who is this? Wait, what? Wait, what? My factory? Are you certain?
James?
What is wrong? Tell me now. There is a fire at the factory.
A fire? Right now, are you sure?
Yes, right now. I have to go.
I am coming with you, James.
No, stay here. Watch the kids.
James, are you okay right now?
I do not know. I do not know.
Why is everyone shouting in there? Go back to bed, Liam, please.
Is something on fire? Can I watch? Liam, no, go back to bed now.
I cannot find my shoes anywhere.
They are by the door, James. Look.
Which door, Sarah? We have many.
The only door we have, James.
Okay, I am going now.
Call me right away, please.
I will. I love you, Sarah.
I love you too. Be careful, please.
Where is Daddy going, Mommy? Tell me. Daddy has some work, sweetie, that's all. At 3 in the morning, Mommy? Yes, baby, work does not sleep. That sounds very tired for work.
Yes, baby, very tired indeed it is. Please be okay, James.
Is Dad's factory really burning, Mom?
I do not know yet, Liam, sweetie.
Should I call the fire trucks, Mom?
They are already there, sweetheart, I think.
Mommy, I am scared right now.
It is going to be okay, sweetie.
How do you know that too, Mommy?
Because mommies always know, Lily dear. James? Is everything okay over there? How bad, James? Tell me everything now. The whole factory, it is gone. No. Come home, just come home now, please.
Mom, what happened to the factory?
It burned down, sweetheart, all of it.
Even Dad's office chair? That is sad.
Yes, Liam, even the chair too.
That chair was really comfortable, Mom.
I know, baby, I know it was.
Mommy, does this mean no more factory?
It might mean that, sweetie, yes.
Then where will Daddy work now?
We will figure that out, Lily dear. Are you hurt? Are you okay, James?
I am okay, just tired, Sarah.
What happened, James? Tell me everything.
Old wiring, the whole place burned down. 20 years of work, gone in hours.
We will figure this out together, James.
There is no insurance, Sarah. None.
What? Why no insurance, James? How?
I let the payment lapse last year.
Okay, we will manage somehow.
With what money exactly, Sarah?
Dad, are you a fire hero now?
Not exactly, buddy. Not exactly today.
Did you save anything from the fire?
Just myself, buddy. Barely that even.
That still counts as heroic, Dad.
Thanks, Liam. I needed that today.
Daddy, you smell like smoke today.
I know, sweetie. Sorry about that.
It is... Okay, smoke is interesting, actually.
Yeah, it is.
Kids, go get ready for school now. Oh. But this is way more interesting, Mom.
We need to talk about this. I know. I'm listening. James, how much money do we have?
Enough for maybe 2 months, Sarah.
2 months? James, that is it?
That is it, Sarah. I am sorry.
Rent, school fees, groceries, everything, James.
I know, Sarah.
We need a plan, James. Today, please.
I will find work, I promise you.
Doing what? The factory is gone.
Anything. I will do anything, Sarah.
Even starting over completely, James?
Even then, we have no choice.
We will get through this together, James.
At least the chair was old anyway.
James, you are trying to be funny.
Is it working a little bit, Sarah?
A tiny little bit, yes, James.
I will check our savings account now.
I will start calling everyone I know. 20 years, Sarah. 20 years of work.
And we built a family too, James.
I am scared, Sarah. Honestly scared.
Me too, James. Me too, honestly. We have been scared before, James.
And we always figured it out, Sarah. No one is hiring, Sarah. No one.
What about the Henderson Company, James?
They said maybe next year, Sarah.
Next year? We need money now.
Dad, I have a great idea.
Tell me, buddy. I need ideas.
We can sell lemonade outside the house. We could make hundreds of dollars, Dad. Liam, we need thousands, not hundreds. Then we make really big lemonade, Mom.
I love your confidence, son. Truly.
So can we do it, Dad, please?
Maybe small lemonade. For fun, sure.
Daddy, you can have my money.
Lily, that is your savings, sweetheart.
It is okay. Family is more important.
Sweetheart, I cannot take your money.
But you need it more than me.
You are so kind, Lily. Thank you.
How much is in there anyway, Daddy?
I think $4, sweetie, exactly.
$4? That is so much money.
Our kids are amazing, James. Truly.
I know.
Tools for sale. Good tools. Cheap. Sir, tools. Very useful tools, please.
This is not working very well today.
Dad, I made advertising for you.
Liam, this is very honest. Truly.
Honesty builds trust, Dad. I read that.
Where did you read that exactly, son?
A cereal box, I think, actually.
Cereal box wisdom. The best kind.
How much for the hammer, sir?
$5, ma'am. Good price today.
I will give you $3, sir.
Deal. Absolutely deal. Thank you.
We made a sale. We did it.
$3, Liam. Big progress today.
Every big thing starts small, remember, Dad?
I remember now, son. I remember. Sarah, we made $12 today.
That is something, James. Truly something.
It is not enough, though. Not nearly.
We will keep trying. Every day, James.
I feel like I am failing you.
James, look at me. Look at me now.
I lost the factory, Sarah, completely.
The factory burned, James. You did not.
It feels the same some days, honestly.
It is not the same at all, James.
Daddy, are you sad about the fire? A little bit, sweetheart. Yes, I am.
But fire makes new things sometimes, Daddy.
What do you mean, Lily, sweetheart?
My teacher said forests burn down sometimes. And then new trees grow up after, Daddy.
New trees grow after the fire.
Out of the mouths of 6-year-olds.
Thank you for that, sweetheart. Truly.
You are welcome. Can I have a cookie?
Yes, Lily, you can have a cookie.
Yay!
Almost home.
How was your first day, James?
My legs feel like noodles, Sarah.
But you made some money, James?
$40, Sarah. It is something.
Dad, did you ride a bike all day?
All day, every street, every hill.
That is basically being an athlete, Dad.
An athlete who delivers pizza, yes.
Pizza athlete, I like that title.
Pizza athlete, I will take it.
This is hard work, James. Truly hard.
Harder than the factory, honestly, Sarah.
We see how hard you try, James.
That means everything to me, Sarah.
James? Why are you home early today?
The company closed down, Sarah, suddenly.
What do we do now, James, honestly?
I do not know anymore, Sarah.
I have tried everything, Sarah. Everything. You have not failed, James. Stop saying that.
It feels like failing every single day.
You get up every day. That is not failing.
I am so tired, Sarah. Truly tired.
I know. I am tired too, James.
We have given everything we have.
And we still have each other, James.
Dad, can you help me move these boxes?
Sure, buddy. Which boxes exactly?
Grandpa's old boxes. In the corner, Dad.
I have not opened these in years.
Old papers, old photos, boring stuff.
This was your grandfather's life, Liam. Look at this, your grandfather. Young?
He looks just like you, Dad. Dad, there is something wrapped in cloth. Let me see that, son, carefully.
Grandpa's old watch. I cannot believe it.
Wow. It's so cool. Is it special, Dad? Tell me.
He always said it was. I never believed him. There is a name engraved here. And numbers.
What does it say, Dad? Can you read it?
This is a rare vintage piece, sir. Rare? How rare exactly, may I ask? Very few of these were ever made. My father always said it was special. What is it worth, may I ask?
This watch could sell for quite a lot.
How much is quite a lot, exactly? Enough to restart a small business, I think. Dad, you knew this all along. James?
What is going on right now?
Sarah, Grandpa's old watch is valuable.
Valuable how, James? Tell me more.
Valuable enough to help us start again.
Are you serious right now, James?
Completely serious, Sarah. Completely true.
Your father saved us, James, somehow. From beyond somehow. He really did.
I found it, though. Just saying, Dad. Yes, Liam, you absolutely found it. So technically, I am also a hero.
Technically, yes, thank you, son.
What did I miss? Is it cookies? No, sweetie, something better than cookies.
Nothing is better than cookies, Mommy.
Today, Lily, something actually is.
Sarah, look, our new beginning here.
It is beautiful, James. Truly beautiful.
Smaller than before, but honest, real.
Sometimes smaller is exactly right, James.
Dad, can I be your first employee?
You already are, buddy. Officially now.
Something with my name on it, Dad?
Absolutely something with your name, son.
Daddy, is this the new factory?
A small one, sweetheart, but ours.
Will it burn down again, Daddy?
Let us hope not, Lily, sweetheart.
We have insurance this time, right, Daddy?
How does she know about insurance, Sarah?
She listens more than we think, James.
Yes, Lily, we definitely have insurance now.
We really did this, James, together.
We really did, Sarah. All of us. Wait, the shoes from that first night.
What shoes, James? You still remember?
Dad, I found your shoes weeks ago.
Where were they exactly, Liam? Tell me.
In my closet, I was using them.
Using my shoes for what, exactly?
Building a fort? They worked great, Dad.
My work shoes. A fort foundation. Only in this family, only us.
Welcome to chaos, James, our chaos. We lost so much this year, James.
And somehow, we gained more, Sarah.
Can we get cookies now? To celebrate? Yes, Lily, the biggest cookies in town. This is a perfect evening.
It really is.
Can we get gelato now?
Yes, sweetheart.
Hello, friends. Thank you for watching our story.
We're so glad you're here.
Our family lost a lot this year. But we learned something important together. Sometimes the hardest days bring the best surprises.
We would love to hear your story. Please write it in the comments below. Your story might help another family too. Thank you for watching with us today. We will see you in the next story.
Bye, everyone. Comment your stories below. And maybe send cookies too, please.
Has your family ever faced a big money problem? How did you solve it together?